Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to make a nice, yummy soup that's sure to fill you up and warm you up when it starts getting these colder weather in the fall and in winter. Let's go ahead and get to it. Alright, for this super simple recipe, we're going to start off, get your favorite pot. Go ahead and turn the heat on and pour however much broth you want to use. There's no real set amount for this, it's however much you want. I'm going to make a lot, so I'm going to pour in 2 big old cans of this. There we go. You're going to bring that to a boil before you do anything else. So I'll come back to you when mine's boiling. All right. Now my water is not a huge boil right now, but it's getting there. I'm going to go ahead and add my frozen peas and carrots. You can use canned ones if you want, but I like the frozen ones because they just seem fresher to me. And when they cook, it won't make them too mushy or anything. I'm going to add 2 bags just because I'm making a lot of soup. Oops, I'm knocking things over. Now, obviously it's going to cause my boil to go away, but just go ahead and bring it back to a boil before the next step then. And I'll come back to you when mine's ready. All right, I got it back up to a boil with my vegetables in there. I'm gonna go ahead and pour in some frozen tortellinis. I like to get the multicolored ones because they usually just have a nice little pop in them. These ones are filled with real ricotta and Romano cheese. I'm gonna do 2 bags of these as well because I'm making a lot of soup. And once again, since they're cold, the frozen one's gonna get rid of the boil in my water. So what we're gonna do is let it heat up some more and let it cook for about 3 minutes to get all the pasta nice and soft. So I'm gonna wait for it to boil up. I'll count my 3 minutes from the time it starts boiling. And I'll come back to you guys when it's ready. Alrighty. So you see it's all boiling, all the tortellinis are floating to the top over here. All that goodness, you can get some heavy cream. Pour as much as you want in there. I'm gonna pour a decent amount in there because I like myself some heavy cream in my soups. You can pour as little or as much as you want in there, mix it up, and give it an extra little nice creaminess to it. Then you want to get some parsley. I'm going to use dried parsley just because I don't have any fresh parsley. And I mix it in there. I like parsley in my stuff too. Some salt and pepper. Mix it on up. Mix it up just for a little bit. Won't take much longer here. I'm gonna go ahead and start zooming out because I'm gonna be blowing it up here soon. Yeah, a little bit more parsley. Normally I like to have fresh parsley that I'd cut up. I had some parsley in my fridge, but it died, so we'll not be having fresh parsley with this one. Now you got some nice yummy soup. Go ahead and get it. Your bowl here. I love myself some tortellini. Look how good that looks. Oh, so good. Those colors. That's why I like colored tortellini, because it has such pretty colors. Boom. I got some chopped up bread that's been sitting out overnight that my wife and kiddos made, or my wife and my oldest made anyway. I put them in as kind of like croutons. Let me turn this off, it's starting to boil up too much. And then, let me zoom this down here. Go ahead and get some Parmesan, some shredded Parmesan, and sprinkle it on top. Look how amazing that looks, and look how fat. It took no time at all. Longest was waiting for the soup to boil, or the broth to boil. Only takes a few ingredients. No prepping really involved unless you want to cut your own bread up. You always buy store-bought croutons too. Done in no time at all. And there you have it. A nice, simple tortellini soup. Will fill you up, make you feel nice and toasty warm, just in time for them cold days. Well, if you like this recipe, please leave a comment down below and let me know what you liked about it, what you didn't like about it, if you would add or subtract anything. Also, feel free to add some comments down below about other recipes you want me to try or other ideas you think I would enjoy if I had never tried before. Also, while you're down there, please hit that subscribe button and a little bell doohickey so you know when I post more videos. I try to post videos every week about food-related things, usually recipes. All right, see you around.